Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Douglas. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what we are into. Before we start the video today, I would like you to note that the content on this channel is solely informational and educational. Before making any financial decision, you're to consult with your healthcare professionals and financial advisor concerning your cancer treatment. Also, in applying to financial aid organizations that would probably help you give you some money towards your cancer treatment, it is important to exercise caution and patience. Beware to verify all organizations before putting out your personal details and financial details to the world to avoid potential scam. So that said, let's dive into the video. I'm really not sure if I should give like a introduction. I feel like a lot of people, if not all, already know that when someone is diagnosed of cancer, it comes with a lot of money to spend. Hence, financial aid options are often considered, especially in developing countries like mine or like ours, to see how the treatment phase can be achieved more quickly. So today I have a list of 5 or more options to consider when looking for financial aid programs for your cancer treatment journey. So that said, let's dive into it. The first one on my list is the NHIS. NHIS is the National Health Insurance Scheme. NHIS is not particularly tailored towards cancer. I mean, it's towards every other disease as well. So you can actually make use of this during your cancer treatment plan. However, you would need to go through their website and see if the program is available at the time you need it and what you need, what requirements, see if you're what are the requirements, see if you're eligible to apply, and of course go for it. All the links to the websites and organizations I'll be mentioning in this video is right in my description box. There's a full blog post on it, so if you click on the blog post, it takes you to where the links of all those websites will be in the description box. So the second one I would be talking about is NGOs, non-governmental organizations, and I have about 3 to 4 NGOs I'm going to talk about. Typically, NGOs are there to kind of support cancer patients and also advocacy for cancer, giving out information to the general or to the public about cancer. However, some of these NGOs actually provide financial support, while most of the NGOs' main focus is not money, because looking at it, an NGO cannot possibly give you all the money you need for your treatment. Now look at the 200,000 people that has cancer in Nigeria. So it's actually not feasible that one singular NGO or one single NGO would be able to provide support financially to all cancer patients that we have in Nigeria. So putting that in mind, you might also need to cut them some slack and not give them and not have like 100% support expectation from them because they are non-governmental. The first NGO I'll talk about today is the Nigerian Cancer Society. This is typically an organization that fosters awareness about cancer and also give out some monetary or some funds to cancer patients from time to time. That means that if I were you, I would stay glued to their website and see what their update is from time to time, or stay glued to their social media handles and see what they talk about. When the program is on, you're able to know about it and not here when the deadline has passed. The second one is Project Pink Blue. Project Pink Blue is headed by Dr. Ronsi and is absolutely doing the best for the cancer space in Nigeria. Sometimes there are funds made available for cancer patients to actually pay some of their medical bills. Again, not all, but also it's not all the time that they have money, because you need to put in mind that these organizations actually sort out international bodies or individuals that would give towards cancer patients in Nigeria. The third NGO is Shebekli Cancer Care, led by Dr. Molola Salako. One of their package or program that they offer financially is called the Thank God It's Friday Breast Clinic. on this they would offer you up to 40% discount or certain percentage discount. It can change from time to time, but so far she's been offering 40% discount provided you do your you go for your medications and your care at Pear Oncology at Lekki or any other locations where they are in Lagos and in Nigeria. Again, the link is in the description box. And the last NGO I will talk about is the Mama Cancer Foundation of Nigeria. They also help financially sometimes, and the link to their website is in the description box, as said earlier. So moving on from the NGO group, which is the second one, into the third is the corporate social responsibility programs. So those are the CSR programs. Typically, some companies or organizations, majorly private, would have some CSR funds or program for their employees. So you would need to ask your employer about it and see if they offer one. In line with that is also the PAPS, which is the Pharmaceutical Patient Assistance Program. Some pharmaceutical company would allocate some funds towards the treatment of cancer for their employee and maybe some of their employees' relative. However, you would need to go ask. Information about majority of those programs are usually within the organization because it's not meant for just anybody in general or in the public. So you would need to talk to your employer and see if they actually offer any of those programs. Moving on to the next one is government grants or subsidies given by the Federal Ministry of Health or some state health departments that would actually help cover some of the cancer treatment bill of some cancer patients. You need to go through the LGAs and see if there are actually any of such programs. Some states in Nigeria do offer it, while some states do not. And in line with that is the NSI, which stands for the National Sovereign Investment Authority Cancer Treatment Funds. This is also available. Lastly, I'll be talking about international bodies and organizations. Some international bodies actually give funds towards cancer patients. Some support in terms of research, some support in terms of awareness. Others would actually just provide funds. But an example is the WHO, World Health Organization, ACS, American Cancer Society, ICCP, International Cancer Control Partnership, IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. And the last one is GFCC, Global Fund for Cancer Care. Remember that the link to these are all in the description box. Majority of these international bodies are going to collaborate with NGOs. So that is why it is important to actually be part of an NGO. Not only do they give you support as you go through your journey, sometimes they can support you financially. And again, you can't just go right to what else organization that, hey, WHO, I need money to sort out my medical bills. They're not going to answer you, or they're not going to respond to you. They most likely would not respond to you. Hence, it is always good to be part of an organization. And that will be the end of today's video. Let me know if you have any suggestion or you have used any other NGO or organizations that actually support cancer patients financially so that other cancer patients can benefit. Remember that this is a safe space for you to talk about your health treatment journey where no one is judging you. Until next week, ensure that you stay healthy. Bye. Oh, and I should also say that if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and let's increase in the number of subscribers. See you next week.